Hello everyone, this is a tutorial video on how to add accessories and streetwear into the consignor portal. To start, go to Sell Products and type the item you want to sell into the search bar and hit enter. Then click No Products Found. Then navigate to StockX, find the title of the product you want, and copy it and paste it into the title field. Then, where it says ticker, copy that and that'll be the SKU field. Then type in the brand. Then choose the category. Then click Add Image. Then click Web Address. Then navigate back to StockX. Right-click the image and click Copy Image URL. Then paste the image URL and hit enter. Then hit Done. Then in the top right corner, click Create. Then choose your size, condition, and price as you normally would. Then hit Create in the top right hand corner. And that's it.